So if we count them again, here OC10H16, if you count them all out, good practice would be making sure you have 16 hydrogens, 10 carbons, and 1 oxygen on both this and this if they are indeed isomers. They should have the same formula. But we have 10 carbons. Let's count this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Gosh dang it. That means I drew in one too many bonds, and see, that's a good way to check. So it'd be that's right there, and then you have up, it's right there. Then I go up one more time, up, down, and now let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, that time I got it right. You can count the hydrogens, it's going to be the same. So if, say, you have to redraw something, count the number of carbons, because it's super easy to misdraw something, especially when it's this big of a molecule. And you have to flip it or rotate it. But technically this molecule right here is the same as this one. It's not an isomer, it's not a different compound, it's the same thing, because these, erase some stuff so you can see it better, because these single bonds can freely rotate. Now instead of rotating at this one, we could have rotated at this one, and it would just be slightly different. But let's say we rotated it up, because that would look really weird. Rotating it down, it'd be like that. Let's say we rotated it up, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So this would be the same molecule again, it's just oriented differently. So that's just super important to realize, that these single bonds can rotate really as much as they want. Now you couldn't rotate this down because you have this carbon stuck to this carbon, so you couldn't go like however the freak that would look, but you couldn't go down that way because you have this double bond. Now if you saw it drawn that way, it would just be another isomer, but because these double bonds lock this into place, you can't rotate it, nor can you rotate, say, this up and like switch this thing around, so it'd be like to that. You can't, like, because that double bond. Now if there was no double bond there, you could do that. So I hope that clarified more things than it might have confused, but email me if you have any questions.